Someone just said it? 20. So A is the first letter, T is the 20th letter, so therefore T will be 20. How about the I? 9. So we have A-T-T-I. T is what? 20. So U must be 21. U is 21. D should be number what? A, B, C, D, 4. And E would be 5. So we have A is 1, T is 20, T is 20, I is 9, T is 20, U is 21, D is 4, and E is 5. 1 plus 20 equals what? 21 plus 20 equals what? 41 plus 9 equals 50 plus 20 equals 70 plus 21 equals 91. 91 plus 4 equals 95 plus 5 equals. Your attitude affects 100% of how you see things in life. Your attitude affects 100% of how you respond to the various things in your life. So think positive. Change your attitude. If you want to become great in life, you must change your attitude. Not only is it attitude, but it's also alignment. Someone once said, the birds of a feather flock together. And if you want to become a great leader, you must also surround yourself, align yourself with other great leaders.